Hey everyone, welcome back to Unlocking the Wealth Code. Ever wish you had extra cash for your dream car, a lavish vacation, or perhaps a cool new gadget? Does that sound like a far-off fantasy? Saving money might seem tricky, but it's totally doable. Today we'll reveal 6 secret weapons to save big. Up to $1,000 a month. Ready to unlock your saving superpowers? Let's go. Here comes a supercharged power tip for you. Power tip numero uno, rule your lunchbox like a champion. Say goodbye to that monotonous vending machine routine. Pack tantalizing, health-boosting lunches and power snacks to seize control of your meal game. Every single dollar you save is a victory march towards your goals. And the wholesome food will keep your energy rocketing sky high. Remember, even if you just wave goodbye to one stylish espresso a day, you'll be blown away by the accumulative savings. Are you ready to dive into power tip number 2? See something cool you gotta have now? Hit the pause button, cast the wait 24-hour spell. Often, the urge to buy fades. Still love it tomorrow. Go ahead, indulge and celebrate. Patience isn't merely a virtue, it's the hidden key to victory. Tip number 3, the leftover lunchbox loot. Forgotten leftovers in the fridge? Don't let them become lunchbox monsters. Plan your meals wisely and pack what you'll eat. Those leftovers can turn into tomorrow's lunch or even a delicious dinner, saving you money on groceries. And let's not forget, less food waste is also great for the environment. Moving on to tip number 4, we have the Fun Money Challenge. Saving isn't boring. Team up with a friend and see who can save the most in a month. Track it on a cool chart. It's like a mini game. The prize, more cash. Saving with a friend is an adventure. Tip number 5, the Payday Power Up. Imagine your paycheck as a magic money machine. The trick: make saving automatic. Many employers let you set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Pick a percentage that works for you. Even 5% is a great start. It's a painless way to save, and as your budget allows, you should easily increase that percentage over time depending on your financial goals. Watch your savings grow effortlessly. Just pretend a chunk is already spent on your future, and set it aside for savings right away, like putting it in your own treasure chest. This way, you won't be tempted to spend it all at once. Every saved dollar is a win for your future dream vacation, new bike, or whatever makes you happy. Now on to tip number 6, the free fun finder. Saving doesn't mean being bored. There's a world of free and exciting adventures waiting for you. Explore parks, libraries, museums, free events, or movie nights. Remember, being financially smart isn't about spending heaps of money, but rather, it's about unleashing your imagination and making the most of what you have. Being smart with money means using your imagination for free fun. Save up to $1,000 this month. That's $12,000 a year. Saving money can be fun. With the 6 tricks we've shared in this video, again, those tips are: number 1, pack your lunch. Number 2, wait 24 hours before an impulse purchase. Number 3, eat your leftovers for lunch or dinner the next day. Number 4, team up with a friend for a money-saving challenge. Number 5, pay yourself first before you start spending any of it. And number 6, have free fun. Find free things to do around town. That's a serious pile of cash for that dream vacation, a new gadget, or even a jumpstart on a big future goal. So, don't wait. Start your journey towards financial freedom now. Ready to join the Champion Savers Club? Subscribe for more awesome money-saving tips. Share your coolest way to save money in the comments. Inspire others to become smart savers too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos packed with financial wisdom.